Hi guys, I am out walking the dogs. Weather is amazing today, probably the only day for the next 5 or 6 days at least, I don't know. It's gonna be a bit poor weather coming forward. Anyway, I am working indoors as usual, but I will most likely continue with the metal corner pieces and then do some plastering inside the bathroom and the gym rooms. I'm back and I'm going to do some work on mainly the ceiling, and then probably start working on these little gaps that I have up here, which I need to fix, and then obviously this one, which has been suggested to do a window. The only problem is I don't want to deal with our window company at all, because they have been quite frankly horrible at delivering and keeping delivery times, etc. We have had basically months of delays, about 5 months delay for some windows, which is not okay. So I'm not gonna deal with that now. I'm gonna plaster it, cover it, and maybe in the future, we'll see, we'll do something about it, but at the moment it's not gonna happen, unfortunately. Okay, so my new stapler has decided to give up on me, which means I'm gonna have to go and get another one. I mean, it lasted for all of this and almost those two, so it's not too bad, or maybe not. I'm gonna have to find something else to do. I mean, it's not like I don't have stuff to do here, so I guess yeah, let's see what to do. So I have the first layer on. I haven't done this wall yet, mainly because I find it very boring. I still haven't found anyone to help me, but I'm gonna take a break now, enjoy the sun because it's amazing, and have myself a beer. So I'm probably gonna do a bit more work afterwards. The dogs are chasing a lizard, which is basically right up there now. But it's still entertaining for them, I guess. Jimmy's relaxing in the shade. Tony's not doing the same. I'm gonna head out and get some things for the barbecue instead. Much better idea than to work inside.
Later that same evening.
And with that, I am going to end it. I'm barbecuing. I have the stapler ready for tomorrow. I got it changed. So I guess tomorrow I will be stapling away. So I'll see you then. Ciao.